Make money in the crypto space is not as hard and difficult as many said it is, but there are some updates you need to act upon immediately. Just about a few hours ago, less than 48 hours ago, I gave updates when Bitcoin was trading around 73,000, and I told you, all my subscribers, that many other altcoins are also going to go bullish just because Bitcoin went bullish for just few hours. And just few hours after that, I was able to make some profit for myself just by following the simple trading strategy I gave you guys on that update. I know some of you might miss out on that particular video, but right now is another opportunity for you. If you think you missed out on the last one and you don't want to miss out on this another opportunity, then you need to see this video. So in this video, you will see how I traded for just few hours and how much profit I was able to make for myself just in one round of trade. So make sure you stick around and see this video from beginning to the end. We all know BTC has been offering within 65,000 to 69,000 for a very long time. We all know that, right? Until about 3 days ago, we saw Bitcoin doing as high as 70,000, 71,000, 74,000, almost approaching 75,000. We saw Bitcoin doing as high as 74,600. Yes. Okay. So I bought BTC at a SAT 73,000. I bought at a SAT 73,000. Then I positioned myself to sell around 74,500, right? So let's do some brief calculation and let's see how much I was able to earn for myself just within 24 hours of entering this spot arbitrage, right? This is not something new. This is what I've done multiple times on this channel, and my VIP subscribers, they are also doing the same thing because we give signal on daily basis. This is a very simple trading strategy that anyone can do. What is important right here is for you to understand the best time to enter a trade and the best time to exit a trade. That is all you need for this type of spot trading arbitrage. Okay, so let's do some brief calculation and you will see how profitable this arbitrage is. Right here is my percentage calculator, and this is very easy way to calculate your profit and your percentage. Bitcoin from 73,000 to 74,500, it increased by just 2.05%, right? And right here I purchased 1,000 worth of Bitcoin, $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, right? So right here I'm going to input the amount of Bitcoin I bought, which is 1,000. This is 1,000 right here. And from what you can see right here, my profit is $20.05. Now you might be thinking the profit is very low, right? You might be thinking the profit is very low. Actually, if I was able to do this multiple times, right, I can be doing it as high as 5 times within 24 hours because the price of Bitcoin was never stable. It keeps on going from 73,000 to 74 to 74,500, 71,000, 72, and so on and so forth. So within 24 hours to 48 hours, you can do this arbitrage as many times as possible, right? I always tell you, my subscribers, when you want to trade you do not have enough trading capital, Bitcoin is not really the best for you. Imagine I use this my same trading capital on low cap crypto coin like coins like, let's say, Solana, like Nickchain, like XRP. This $20 I'm making, it will have been something like times 5. On a single round of trade, I could be making as high as $70, $100, or even much more, right? So that is the advantage of you trading on low cap crypto coin. So right now, what are the coins we can trade on for today? So I'm going to take you to the exchange I use for my trading. In most time, I use my Bybit, I use my Mexi. You can use Binance, OKS, any crypto exchange of your choice is still going to be working for this spot arbitrage. So guys, let's get started. So right now I'm on my Mexi exchange. The next thing we are going to do, let's come to this area that says market. Let's come to this area that says markets. Let me take this off. Okay, come to this area that says market. Right on your market, you are going to be seeing different crypto coin we can actually trade on today. And you see, the crypto markets just face some massive reversal right now. You see, Bitcoin that was trading at around 74,500 is now back to less than 70,000. This is the current price of Bitcoin, right? So this reversal started since yesterday midnight, and as you can see, you can see right here, this is the daily candle right here. From yesterday, Bitcoin has been declining. So the reversal started from this 74,600. Then we saw Bitcoin ending the daily candle yesterday at the bearish candle, and we saw that happening again today, ending the daily candlestick at bearish candle, right? And this is also making other altcoin to also face the same rejection. So right now, what are the best coin we can buy right now for this spot arbitrage? I'm only going to be giving you about 2 coins you can buy right now based on this current market price. Okay, so the first coin I'm going to be giving you today that I think we can buy right now, and in the nearest few hours is likely to actually go bullish again, and we can see some rebound. When we see some rebound, then we can take our quick profits and position ourselves again to trade again. This is how you do it on this spot arbitrage. This is not the type of trade that you hold for long. Once you see that there's some rejection, once you see that there are some bullish reversal, we can always jump on any of the coins that we believe has a potential profit to give us. Then from there, we can take our profit and reposition ourselves again for another round of trade. This is how we do it, and this is how I share signals with all my VIP subscribers. So right now, the next thing we are going to be doing, let's look at Solana. Solana right here is good to go for today's update, because we saw Solana doing as high as 97.65 just within 48 hours ago. Within 48 hours ago, this guy was doing $97, and right now is back to $87.9. So when we want to trade right now, we can go for Solana right now. Let's buy Solana from around this price. We can be targeting Solana from around $85 to $86. $85 to $86. Okay, that is the best price you can buy your Solana based on the current market right now. Okay, we saw right here Solana resistance is at $97.65, right? That is the current resistance of Solana, and that is what you can see right here, 97.65, right? So if you are buying Solana for any reason, just target from $85 to $86. Okay, so that is for Solana. The next coin we should talk about, that is Nickchain. Nickchain also is facing some massive reversal, because Nickchain was doing as high as $10, right? Was almost doing $10, approaching $10 before the reversal we saw on Bitcoin, and that brought Nickchain back to its current price of $8.9. So for Nickchain, when you want to buy your Nickchain, you can be buying your Nickchain from this current price right here, that is 8.9, or we can just wait and exercise some patience to buy Nickchain at around 8.5 or 8.6 US dollar. Remember, I always tell you, my subscribers, if you're able to buy at the support level or even below the support level, it gives us even much more potential to make even much more profits than when we are buying at the current market price. Okay, but remember, this is never a financial advice. This is the current resistance of Nickchain right here at 10.07, and we have the support at $8.8. So you can be targeting from $8.5, or if you want to buy at the market price, you can buy at this current market price. That is for Nick Chain. The last coin I'm going to be giving you for this spot arbitrage update is WLFI. WLFI. I love to trade this arbitrage on WLFI, all because WLFI is a very low cap crypto coin, and when the trade goes in our favor, then we can even make much more profit than when we are trading on other crypto coin. So let's check on WLFI. Okay, right here is WLFI. WLFI is doing minus 5.02% just within 24 hours. This coin was doing 0.1 just within 24 hours ago, but when Bitcoin started declining, then all other altcoins also follow suit. So right here, this is WLFI. So if I buy WLFI right now, we can be buying from this particular price. We can be buying from this particular price of $0.09, or we can wait for this guy to do and touch the support level. Right here is the current support level of WLFI. Look at it right here. And we have the resistance sitting at 0.108. Okay, so if I'm buying at the current market price, is fine. If I want to wait for this guy to touch the support and buy at the exact support, you can as well buy from the exact support. When you want to sell your WLFI, you can be selling at 0.105, 0.104, 0.103. You can target any of these price to sell your WLFI and take your profit. Okay, on WLFI, when the market is actually going in our favor, you can be trading on this coin multiple times in a day. It can be 2 times, 3 times in a day, depends. This is why our VIP signal is very important. If you think you want to be trading on daily basis on WLFI or some other crypto coin, then you can join our VIP trading platform. I give daily multiple signal. I told you guys I was going to be giving you just 2, but I think I should add 1 more. And for this, I'm going to be going for BNB. Let's check out BNB and see what is going on BNB for today. If you are trading on BNB, then you can try to increase your trading capital, right? You don't trade with anything less than, let's say, $250 to around $500 where you want to trade on BNB and make some substantial profit. If you are trading with around $50, $100, you can still take your profit, but your profit is going to be very, very low, right? So this is BNB right here, and we can see what is going on BNB. This is a coin that was doing almost $700 just within 24 hours ago, and we see this guy was touching $68.7, right? That is what you can see, $687. And right now this guy is trading at $637, and we have the support sitting at $636.44. That is what you can see right here. So when you want to trade on this guy, you can be targeting BNB at a certain support level of 636, or you can buy at this current market price. You see extremely low right now, so if you are buying at the market price, it is fine. And if you want to wait to buy at the support level, it's also good to go. But all this coin that I gave right now, if we can see Bitcoin rebounding again in a very short period of time, if you can see Bitcoin actually going bullish again back to, let's say, 70,000, 72,000, 73,000 in a very short period of time, then we can see most of this coin going bullish again. We can see another bearish reversal on all this coin that I just made mention right on this update. As you can see, guys, the arbitrage spot trading is very easy. All you just need is your timing. You need to understand the exit point and the entry point. That is all you need to get started on our spot arbitrage. If you think you want to be part of our spot VIP, where I give VIP signal, multiple VIP signals on daily basis, use the link right on this video description to reach out to me. We give signal on daily basis, and this signal is going to help you. You don't have to wait for my YouTube update even before you trade. Also, if you want us to trade on your behalf, we have a trading service when we trade on behalf of our interested subscribers. If you're interested, also message me. I will give you our terms and conditions. You can see this video right here to learn more way to make money right in the crypto space. or see this one right here to learn one of my best trading strategy of 2026. I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye for now.